Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join in a Google meeting on your phone. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Since you all know that Google Meet is a video conferencing app from Google, which is a free service for everyone so that any user with a Google account could join in a meeting on Google Meet. You can easily join in the Google meeting either with a Meet code or a link. If anyone sends you a meeting invitation, then you can easily receive it on your Gmail. Simply open up your inbox and you should receive an invitation from Google Meet. Open up the invitation and simply tap on the Join Meeting button to join in a video meeting that is happening right now. Open it up with Meet application. Select your account from the options displayed. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. You can go ahead and deselect the camera option if you don't want yourself to be involved in a video call and only share an audio. You'll need to go ahead and click on the join button so that the person who is hosting the meeting will allow you to join into their meeting. Once the host of the meeting allows you to join into their meeting, you'll be able to join in to a particular meeting that is happening right now using your phone. That is how you'll be able to join in a meeting on Google Meet using your phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.